Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell coins right here on CoinMarketCap. And the first thing that you need to know, guys, is CoinMarketCap is a tool where you can search for information to buy it on another broker. So let's say, for example, we go right here to the search bar and we search right here for Bitcoin. There we have it. Then you click right here on Bitcoin, and right here at this place there's no way how we directly can buy Bitcoin. The only thing that we can do right here is we can look right here for the Bitcoin price and the volume. And then right now when we select right here markets, you see right here all the markets that are having Bitcoin. So let's say if you want to buy Bitcoin, you search right here for the best price. And then what you can do is, let's say we want to buy it on Binance. We select right here Binance and go to Binance. And then we can create ourselves an account on Binance, or maybe you already have one. And then you can log in or sign up with that account and then buy Bitcoin on Binance. Now you can also click here on register now, but this is a site just to do your analysis and to see which broker has the best trading options. So if you want to buy or sell on CoinMarketCap directly, that is not possible. So you need to choose right here which platform you want to buy, and then after that you can go to that platform and buy and sell coins from there. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.